set up your abacus for fingers and thumb rolling, place 2 ball assemblies into slots with 1 slot between them left open. And don't forget to lock your abacus before using. Let's look at using the abacus for finger and thumb rolling. Feel free to try the abacus in a variety of positions and select one that allows you to keep your wrist in neutral, your fingers straight, and your body relaxed. Today I'm going to demonstrate finger and thumb rolling with the abacus in a horizontal position. Slowly roll your fingers and thumb over 1 or more gel balls. Explore gently rolling the front, back, and sides of each finger and thumb, keeping your wrist in neutral. Relax your fingers, thumb, and hand before and after rolling as needed. Open your hand wide and extend your fingers. The benefits of fingers and thumb rolling: releases tension, restores gliding of muscles and fascia, improves hand movement and function,